Hi everyone, it's Graham here with another product review for you. I'm not reviewing this mower. This is the one that I've been using, I don't know how many years now, quite a few years anyway, but unfortunately it's just packed up on me. So I thought I had a look around and I saw some really good reviews of another mower, which is this one. It's from B&Q and it's got some really good reviews, so I'm going to open it up now and have a look at it and compare it to my old Flymo, which to be honest was getting a little bit heavy for me, and I'm glad really that it packed up, because I was thinking of getting a new one anyway, but I didn't like to buy it without having a good reason. So I've got a good reason now, because the old one's packed up. So I'm going to try this one. So we'll get it unpacked and we'll have a look at it. Right, so I've opened the box, as you can see. Our cat's very interested in it as well. So what we've got the main mower, motor and everything. It's a metal blade by the looks of it. There's the handle, nice long lead, instruction manual, another bit of the handle, 4 wheels, and the grass collecting box. Now I'm going to look at the instructions and see how to put this together. So I'm going to see how long it takes me, time it, and when I've done it I'll let you know how long it takes to put together. I'm no DIY expert, so we'll see how easy it is and how long it takes me. Right then, so that's took me about 25 minutes, and I did have to stop because the cat was chasing a little baby bird, so I had to grab hold of the cat, save the baby bird, and so that held me up a little bit. So yeah, 25 minutes to put that together. It's quite easy actually. The only thing that I hope to show you is these wheels. Don't know whether you can see that. They actually just screw on with this knob here, which is quite easy. You don't need a screwdriver for that or anything. But there's 3 different holes there to fit it into, depending on your cut size. So every time you want to change the cut height, you need to take the wheels off. So I put it on the lowest cut height at the minute. So we'll see how that goes. Now, before my old mower packed up, I'd already done this part of the lawn, so that's quite short. But over on this side, got a lot of grass and clover there, so I'm going to cut that, I think, and see how that goes, see how it deals with it. Okay, so I'll do that now. Well, I must say I'm really pleased with that. It's cut it very short, on its shortest cut, which is excellent, and it's got rid of all the clover. Now I know a lot of people are going to say, well, you can get a weed killer to get rid of clover, but actually our rabbits like a bit of clover, so that's why I let it grow, and they do a good job of keeping it down as well. But anyway, yeah, I think at the moment we're in 2019 as I'm filming this, and I got it from B&Q and it cost under £40, it's £39. Really, it's a bargain. It's very lightweight. You can do it with one hand really. The grass box obviously collects all the grass, and that comes off. You just pull the grass box off, pull that flap up, pull the grass box off, and then you can put it in your compost bin or get rid of it, whatever you do. So yeah, it holds quite a lot of grass as well. But I was surprised how quickly it filled up. I thought I just went over our lawn again, this part of the lawn, from what I'd done previously with the old fly mow, and it collected a load more grass off the lawn, so it was really good and it filled it up really quick. So yeah, pleased with that. It's a good buy, that is. £39, as I say, from B&Q. So it might be, I don't know if they're available, but I think it's B&Q's own make. So have a look at that anyway if you're interested. I think that's a good buy. It's lightweight, it's easy to use, it's got a long lead, but you might need an extension depending on how far from the plug your particular lawn goes. You might need a little extension lead or something like that, which is what I've got. But all in all, I'm very pleased with that for £39 from B&Q. I think that's all I've got to tell you about it. Oh, don't forget it's got 3 cutting heights, but you have to adjust the wheels every time you want to change the cutting height. But it's quite easy to do because these things just unscrew, and then your wheel comes off and you put it up to the next hole or down to the next hole, whichever, and that's the way you adjust the cutting height. So it's not a lot of bother really, that isn't. So yeah, that's it. It's from B&Q and it was £39 in 2019. June now, 2019, so if you fancy having a look at that, have a go. So the other thing to mention is that the handle does fold down. You unscrew these little knobs here, and then you can fold the handle down, and so that makes it easier to store. So yeah, a nice buy that is. It's from B&Q. Let me give you the model number, just a minute. That's the model number, FPLM1000-4, and it's electric lawnmower, and it's 1000 watts. So that's from B&Q, as I say, in 2019, it cost us £39. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, thanks for listening, and we'll see you on the next video. Cheers for now.